What's up guys, I'm back with the latest Samsung scoop and this could be our first real life look of the Galaxy S11. Now first up, I'm going to talk about this image. This is actually a screenshot coming from Samsung's Exynos 990 video trailer. This was sent to me on Instagram by one of my followers, and if you look closely, the device in the trailer has a camera setup that is very similar to the Galaxy S11 Plus. You may not notice it in the first shot, but upon increasing the shadows and playing with the image, you can definitely see that it's the Galaxy S11 like camera device. The only thing that is a bit off here is that the edges of the phone is very similar to the Galaxy Note 10. This could actually be how the Note 11 will look if it adopts the Galaxy S11 Plus camera setup, but obviously that's just my opinion. Currently, because of this, Samsung has deleted the trailer. I was not able to find this online, which is a bit weird, which makes me think that this might actually be the look of the S11 Plus. Obviously, the leaks that we have seen from OnLeaks are pretty accurate, but of course there's always some room for some small details that will come up with the official product. And we actually have our second look of the Galaxy S11 model. This could be S11 or S11e. This is actually a very blurred image of Galaxy S11's engineering sample. Because of that new camera layout, you can pretty much tell that this is the new upcoming Galaxy S11. Again, it could be S11e because the actual camera layout is a bit thinner, is a bit smaller. Again, we still have yet to see the best real life look of the S11, so we can't be completely sure about it. Also, Ice Universe tweeted out some much needed information regarding the Samsung's 108 megapixel sensor that they're gonna use on the S11 family. So he says that Samsung has made a custom sensor, a custom 108 megapixel sensor that is specific for the Galaxy S11, and it's different from the bright HMX 108 MP sensor that we have seen on the Xiaomi phones. So like I said before, Samsung will always keep the best for its flagship phone, and this is the prime example of it. Isonover says that this brand new custom sensor has a superior quality. So just to give you guys a general idea, this is how the size of the S11 sensor will be in comparison to the camera sensor we have on the Note 10. That is a massive difference. This is even bigger than what we have on the Mate 30. Guys, my faith in Samsung is stronger than ever. I know that this design is not the best, but what this camera will bring to the table is what matters to me, and I think that is what matters to you as well, at least most of you. Now, in order to handle this 108 megapixel madness, we have to have the best processor, and thanks to Qualcomm, Snapdragon 865 is official. I talked about it in the previous video. It's pretty much a damn OP chip, which is a bit sad because most of the Galaxy S11 models will end up using Exynos 990 Samsung chip, which is, according to Ice Universe, not on the same level as the Snapdragon 865. That is very true. Even the current chips are not equal. The Snapdragon 855 has a significantly better gaming performance than the Exynos-based Galaxy S10, and I believe that's going to be the same case moving on in 2020. I wish Samsung just used Snapdragon processor across all of its phones, but that's just not possible. Now, as we talked about before, Galaxy S11 family is using a 120Hz bright Super AMOLED display, and to handle that 120Hz power, we need a big battery, and thankfully, the S11 Plus is using a 5000 mAh battery cell. This is the biggest Samsung flagship smartphone battery we have ever seen, and honestly, I think it's gonna be enough to handle the 120Hz display. It also depends strongly on the software optimization, so I hope the One UI 2.0 will intelligently optimize the 120 and 90 Hz mode so that we have a better optimized battery experience. Again, I'm very excited to test out the battery drain test with this huge battery. Also, I made a video about the Galaxy A51. We now have the official trailer for that phone. It was leaked a couple of days ago, pretty much confirming the whole design from the front and the back and all the specs features as well. It's using a 48 megapixel sensor. It's got ultra wide angle lens, a zoom lens, and for the first time, a macro lens on a Samsung mid-range device. We could actually see a macro lens on the Galaxy S11 family because there's just so many cameras on the back of the S11 Plus that we are not exactly sure what the setup is until we get the full details. So yeah, that's all we have on the Galaxy S11 family leaks, and the real life look pretty much confirms the camera design on the S11 family. There is no going back now. This is how the next flagship phone from Samsung will look. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.